What's up, people? Welcome to Passive Passion Online Income, and in this brand new video I'm going to be talking on the topic of self-confidence. Yes, before any further ado, do click on the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you get notified with all my upcoming latest videos. Alright, so let's talk about self-confidence today, because I've been receiving some messages from some of my friends, some of my mentees asking me on what are the things that they could do to develop their confidence, and how is it that I worked on my confidence, which helped me and guided me to reach to the level where I am today. Now, confidence is something which basically is a belief in your system, and this is something which nobody can instill in you. It's something which nobody can give it to you on a plate. It's something which has to come within you, or from the inside of you, and this can only come with constant practice. No matter what is it that you want to do, no matter what it is that you want to excel at, as you may have heard the saying, practice makes a man perfect. It could be public speaking, it could be a sport, it could be a skill that you want to master or be good at. Whatever it is, make it a point that you practice it often. Try to be as good as you can at whatever it is, and then once you get better at it, go out and start executing whatever that skill that you have learned. Self-confidence is something which can make your life, and which is something which can also break your life. People, once they become self-confident, they also make the mistakes of becoming overconfident at time, and this can be detrimental for anything. As the saying goes, do not take anything for granted, and it's the same thing with your confidence too. Having confidence is good, but being overconfident is detrimental. So whatever it is, give it the amount of respect, do your due diligence, do your homework, study the stuff properly before you jump and make any decisions. And do not make any decisions in haste, because if you do that, all it's gonna do is it's just gonna lead you into jeopardy, so you don't want to be doing all that stuff. So work on your confidence, guys. No matter what it is, whatever your passion is, practice, excel at it, and then go out and help people. It could be anything, but you need to find on what exactly are those things that you are passionate about. Do not let anyone else dictate your life. Do not let anyone come and tell you what is it that you gotta be doing. It's you who has to do the introspection with yourself. It's you who has to find out what your purpose is in this world. Do not let someone come and tell that to you. But whatever it is, think of helping people. Think of creating opportunities. Think of becoming a problem solver, and become a problem solver, because that is what the world wants. The world needs problem solvers. The world doesn't need selfish people who are scared, who lack the confidence, who want to be in that small rabbit hole, don't want to make decisions, don't want to get out of that, just want to go with the flow and be the lazy bumps. Don't be that person. Find your passion, find your purpose, find the real meaning of your life, and work on it. Work hard on it. Remember that, guys. Alright, that's it from me for now. More videos coming to you soon. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, 2 comments below, and do not forget to subscribe. If you want to receive my free video tutorial on self-publishing, the link of my website is below. Go visit my site, become a part of my email subscribers list, and do receive your free video training tutorial. Alright, need mentorship trainings from me for affiliate marketing or self-publishing? Do get in touch with me. Send me an email or get it listed into my program by visiting my website. More videos coming to you. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.